In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add privacy policy to your Wix website. Let's commence by opening your site's dashboard. In there, find and click the option named Edit Site. Following that, an icon that denotes Menu and Pages should be visible on the left panel. You guessed it right, go ahead and land a click on it. Your screen should now show a button named Add Page. Click on that too. In the fresh array of information, select plus and blank page. Name the new page as Privacy Policy. And don't forget to finalize your action by clicking Done. Now you've successfully created a new privacy policy page. Let's then turn to the task of adding the privacy policy text to this newly erected page. Does the plus icon on the left panel ring a bell? Click on that, then select Text, and choose a paragraph block to facilitate adding to the page. Now comes the part to paste your privacy policy content into the text block. If you, by any chance, still haven't generated your privacy policy content, don't sweat it because a privacy policy generator can aid you in creating one swiftly. Well done! You've got your privacy policy content up on the new page. The next step involves linking this privacy policy page to your home page or any other page of your preference where you want this link to appear. A recommendation from experienced webmasters would be to place this link in the footer, as it is a commonly used and effective location. Once you navigate to this chosen page, remember our Buddy Plus, the add icon? You are to click it again and add a text element like a small title. Go ahead and modify this text to read Privacy Policy. Proceed to highlight this text and click the link icon that should be visible to you. Voila! You are just one stride away now. In the link settings that should now be presented to you, select your privacy policy page and click Done to cement your changes. To fit your aesthetic preferences and site design, adjust the size and positioning of the text box as needed. For instance, it can be moved to the bottom of your footer. Well, you've done all the hard work now, and we're just about ready to publish. Click Save to keep all your recent changes safe and secured. To get a preview of your work, you can click Preview and check if you're satisfied with how the new page looks. Happy with what you see? Then it's time to hit Publish to make these changes go live on your website. Congrats! You've successfully added a privacy policy to your Wix website.